Welcome to Efficiency Hunters, where we help homeowners discover ways to save energy and money. Today, our home energy advisor, Mary, is helping Eric get comfy at home and with his energy bill.
We're here with homeowner Eric, who's looking to make updates to keep his home comfortable no matter the weather.
Let's go.
All right, let's go. Weatherproofing is all about keeping you comfortable in your home. Did you know the heating and cooling you pay for can escape through gaps around exterior doors, windows, light switches, and electrical outlets?
Even outlets? Wow, I didn't realize that. So how do I prevent those from leaking?
It's so easy. Just pop in an insulated outlet or light switch cover. A tiny 1/8 inch gap around the entryway of a door is equivalent to drilling a 5-inch hole through the outside wall. Most home improvement stores carry door sweeps for gaps at the bottom and weather stripping to seal the sides. You could caulk around the trim, but it may be time for an upgrade.
Well, do you have any advice for looking at options for new ones?
Absolutely. Start by checking out TVA Energy Right's Quality Contractor Network. This is your go-to resource to connect with contractors vetted by TVA and your local power company. They can tackle a wide range of energy efficiency home upgrades and repairs, including installing new windows. And don't forget to ask about Energy Star rated options.
Wow, okay, that's great to know.
Do you feel that sun beating down? Your house does too. This would be a great place to plant a shade tree to provide some relief.
Oh, I love that idea.
By planting shade trees near a southern-facing window, wall, or AC unit, you could save up to 35% on your heating and cooling costs. Just make sure to plant them at least 15 to 20 feet away from your home to protect your foundation.
Some solid advice. For more ways to lower your energy bill and be more energy efficient, catch all the episodes of Efficiency Hunters. Till next time.